Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account in the Security Bank Corporation. Firstly, to do that, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up, on the search bar, type in SECURITY Bank Corporation and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be redirected to the results page. Now, on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you will be redirected to the home page of the Security Bank. Now, on this page, hover your mouse over this personal option and then click on this Apply Online Now option. After you click on the Apply Online Now option, you will be redirected to another page. Now, on this page, click on this Open an Account option. After you click on that, choose the kind of account you want to open and then simply click on the Apply Now button. After you click on Apply Now, you will be redirected to this page. Now on this page, scroll down and find this Continue option. After you click on Continue option, scroll down on this page, tick on this option and then click on Continue again. After you do that, confirm below which option you want to choose, and once you do that, click on Continue again. After you do that, you will have to fill in some credentials. So fill in your email address here, your mobile number here, and then tick on yes or no here and then click on this Continue button. Once you click on the Continue button and if your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to another page where you will have to fill in some more details, and once you complete all these steps, your account on the Security Bank will be created. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.